How to recover permanently deleted photos from Google Photos 2026. It is a stressful situation when you realize a photo or video is gone from your Google Photos trash bin. In 2026, Google has tightened its data privacy rules, which means once something is cleared from the bin, it is hidden from the user interface. However, there are still a few safe and official ways to try and get that data back before it is overwritten on Google's servers. Here is the logical safe path to recovery. Step 1. Check the 60-day hidden window. Google Photos usually keeps deleted items in the trash for 60 days, if backed up, or 30 days, if not backed up. Open Google Photos and tap Library Trash. If the item is there, simply tap Restore. Important: if you manually emptied the trash, move to Step 2 immediately. Step 2. Use the Google Drive Missing Files support, the secret fix. Because Google Photos and Google Drive share the same storage pool, Google Drive support specialists can sometimes roll back a deletion if it happened within the last 24 to 48 hours. Go to the Google Drive Help Center, scroll down to Contact Us or the Request File Recovery option. If you are a Google One subscriber, use the Chat with an Expert feature. They have the highest success rate in restoring recently purged files from the server side. Step 3. Check partner sharing or archived chats. Did you ever share that photo with someone? If you have partner sharing enabled, the photo might still be in your partner's library. Check your Google Chat or Gmail sent folder. If you ever emailed the photo or sent it via Google's messaging, a copy is stored in that specific app's data, independent of the Photos app. Step 4. The Android Disk Dig Safe Device Search. If the photo was taken on your phone, a thumbnail or a cached version might still be in your phone's deep storage. Download a reputable, no-root required tool like Disk Digger from the Play Store. Run a basic scan. This doesn't look in the cloud. It looks for leftover data in your phone's local cache. Warning: avoid any website that asks for your Google password to unlock deleted photos. Those are scams. Step 5. Check Google Takeout. If you recently performed a backup of your account data before the deletion, the photo might be inside your archive. Go to takeout.google.com. Look for your previous exports. If you have an old archive, download it to your computer and search the folders. Expert pro tip: to ensure this never happens again, go to your Google Photos settings and enable out-of-sync notifications. In 2026, this feature will alert you if a photo is about to be permanently deleted from the cloud because you deleted the local copy on your phone. By following these official channels, you are using the only methods that won't compromise your account security. If this helped you find a missing memory, please hit that like button and subscribe for more.